You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of the capital city of Georgia, with the local Georgian pronunciation, and in English. For more capital city names pronounced, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Local Georgian pronunciation: Tbilisi. Tbilisi. In English, therefore, it is often usually pronounced as Tbilisi. Tbilisi. Tbilisi, Georgia pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.